So let us start with the 3 variable K-map. So this is a 3 variable K-map. So definitely the cell position corresponding to the inputs, while 3 inputs are present, so definitely there will be 2 raised to 3, 8 cells will be available. So let us see how we are arranging this 8 cell from 0 to 7. So this is the cell number 0, 1 all the way to 7. So let us fill these cell positions, but before putting these cell positions into the K-map, we need to understand where to put A, B and C. Let us try this first K-map, which is horizontal one. So I will put A and B at the top and C at the bottom, because on the vertical side we have got only 2 rows. So 2 rows, only one bit can fix, so I will put there C, which will take value 0 and 1, while AB can take 4 combinations. What 4 combinations AB can take? 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Okay, and don't forget to write down the MSB and LSB bits. So I will write down MSB and LSB at C. How you will define the MSB and LSB bit? This is according to your truth table or the question provided to you. But now if you'll see carefully, there are 2 symmetrical axes on the basis of which you can easily fold the K-map. Let me show you. This is one of the axes over which you can fold the K-map, and this is the second axis. If you will take a group of 4, this 4, then these 4 cells can be overlapped if you will fold the K-map along the y-axis. If you will go straight upwards to make a group of these 4, there's a standard rule. You need to go straight upwards and straight leftwards. So first I will go straight upwards. So there are bits corresponding to 0 1 and 1 0. So I am not getting any common bit. As well as if I will go to the leftwards, the same thing will happen. I will not get any common bit. So it's a contradiction. No, it is not a contradiction. Why? Because we have written the 4 combinations in the straight manner: 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. That is nothing but position 0 1 2 3. But while entering positions into the K-map, we use the gray code. This is very important. Now how the gray code works? So for writing the gray code combinations to this inputs, 0 position, this is the first position which is taken as it is, so here it will be 0, and next position is XOR between this 0 and the next 0. So 0 XOR with 0 0. Same bits you need to write here. So 0 bit once again taken as it is 0, 0 XOR with 1, it is 1, 1 bit taken as it is, and 1 XOR with 0 1. Here is the change. So whatever the position which is specified at the last, that comes the second last, and the last position if you will write this one as it is, and the next position will be XOR operation between 1 1, that is nothing but 0. If you will see carefully, these 2 positions are flipped. Because of this flipped position, it will be easy to make a group of 4. This one we were not able to do a few minutes ago. So now you will fill up the cells as your input table shows: A, B and C. So let us consider this first cell where A, B, C 0 0 0. So this will be cell corresponding to 0th location. The cell next to it, that will be 0 1 0. So 0 1 0 corresponding to the second position. So this will be the second position. So the bit which is below the 0, to which AB is constant 0 0 and C is 1, that is nothing but the first position. So this is nothing but position number 1. If you will go through, this will be 0 1 2 3. Here you will get 6 7 4 and 5. They are not in serial manner, so make sure that you are writing the correct cell number corresponding to the respective MSB and LSB bits.